Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. Today we're talking about the Bitcoin chart, what is happening right now in the market and what we are expecting to happen later in the coming days. So if you want to continue enjoying this kind of analysis, please kindly subscribe to this channel right now and don't forget to like and put on the notification bell. So let's dive into the charts currently. Now, if we are looking at the chart currently, I gave an analysis last time about what we are expecting, and everything have been playing exactly the way we wanted. So now, even though in the last analysis, we are still saying that if it broke a particular level, that we should expect Bitcoin to come 30K. But currently, Bitcoin has only $33,000. But I found something interesting again, and I said, okay, let me update my members. So now, looking at this chart, we have uh, this brownish or purplish egg formation that we have since the beginning of this bull run, and immediately we hit this eye, we broke out, and as we broke out, then I gave a video analyzing that if it broke out, the bad sun and the rest like that. So now we have another egg formation again. And looking at it now, this white egg formation, you can easily see that currently we are about to have a break currently. Can you see at this point here? So now, if this particular, let me go to the, sorry, I'm on a weekly time frame. Let me go to 4 hours, 1 day time frame. So you can see the egg formation. So now, if this, at the end of today, let's zoom it down. Okay, so if at the end of today, this particular current candle is able to end inside this particular egg formation, you might see a big move to the upside, more than what we expected. Do you understand? But that we might see something like if this particular candle should give a weak rejection and end inside this egg formation, just test it. We will see it coming to maybe around $43,000 again. But if this particular candle, this current daily candle running currently, if it should end outside this egg formation, that is at the end of today is ending below it, that is around this region or so, then you might be seeing another big fall again. And if you look at the last time we broke out of this egg, this bull egg formation that we broke out, yeah, measuring from the neck, currently with this, we are, it gave us at 32.7, which is where we are currently. There are some 33 is at 32.7, but currently we have reached 33.1. Do you understand? So now, if you measure it from the neck of this egg again, same thing. So that means there's possibility if the buyers, should lose control, there's possibility you might be finding Bitcoin at $15,000 again. Do you understand? So, but the 30K level, I still feel that it's still intact because I told you last time that we have a double top formation on a weekly time frame, and the double top formation, if it's the valid double top, then we should have it come to the neck of the double top. Do you understand? And the neck is around between 30,000 to 29,000. That's where the neck is. Currently, we have already got to $33,000. So, and also we are also having this egg formation again. And this particular egg formation, like I said, if we should break it at the end of today, if you look at it here, we have a little break yesterday, but we have some rejection. Sorry, day before yesterday, and yesterday we pick it up again. Do you understand? So, and today again we pick it up again. Look at it. We are still having some rejection in this particular region. So, if this particular candle can give us a close inside this egg formation, do you understand? Then it will be a very good sign for an upward movement to the maybe to $40,000 or so. Do you understand? or to come and test the $40,000 level. So, but if you look at this chart here also, if you look at this chart here, can you see we broke out of this downward descending wedge? We broke out here, and currently we have a pullback. We have a pullback in around this region, but we didn't touch the descending wedge. Now we came down, so there's possibility we see have what? There's possibility we see the market coming up, having a little pullback to the wedge. Then you see the market shorting to $30,000. Do you understand? But it all depends on how today ends, because I'm looking at the formation of the candlestick and the way the patterns and everything in the market is going currently. I feel that today candlestick formation, we have a very big impact in the market. Do you understand? Today and tomorrow. So if today is able to end inside that particular egg formation, it will be a good sign. Then tomorrow should confirm to give us some confirmation, maybe some little buyers pairs and the rest. But if today should end below it, then we are still coming to $30,000, which is inevitable. Do you understand? So that's what I feel. And if you should break $30,000, you should break that level, $30,000, then we might be having $15,000. But if you look at it, let me show you something. If you look at it, we have a top here. Look at it. When it got to this 30K, we remember another 28,000 or so. We put to this up, Abby. We came down from this up and touched this level again. That same level where we have previous pullback. We went to this top again. Do you understand? Now, if we are coming back to this level now, there is high probability, because this particular level is a very strong level. There's high probability that we have a bounce. And if you're having a bounce, you might even have a bounce maybe to around $40,000 before we now say, okay, we want to continue shorting, or we want to continue to long, either of the two. Do you understand? But the main important thing is that this price, if Bitcoin should come to $30,000, the price should not break that level, because once that price, that particular level is broken, then might be having a more downward movement in the price of Bitcoin. So let's see how today is going to end. Is this candle is going to end inside this egg formation, or we are going to end outside the egg formation? So don't forget, if it end inside is a good sign. You can have tomorrow candle to give us a confirmation. But if you end outside this egg formation, then I feel that we'll be having more to the downside again. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to put on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you very much, and God bless you. And also, if you want to join our Telegram group, the link is in the description below. You can join and have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.